Ever wondered how faceless YouTube channels pump out videos with stunning animated visuals that look like they cost thousands of dollars to make? In 2025, the fastest growing faceless channels are using one secret weapon: AI-generated animated visuals. No camera, no expensive software, no team, just AI. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can do it too, even if you're a complete beginner, so you can start your own faceless channel and make professional content without ever showing your face.
So in this video, I'm going to show you two apps that you can actually use to generate your AI images, right? The first one is going to be Bing AI. Just go to your Chrome and type in Bing, or you can go to your Google Play Store in whatever device you are using and download the app. Once you are done, click on Create Image and then put in your prompt to generate the kind of image that you want. Now, one thing with Bing is, or one thing with every AI image generator, is that you want to make sure that you are very specific in your description. That is what is going to give you the kind of visuals that you are imagining, right? If you are unable to describe exactly what you want, the AI may not be able to give you exactly what you want. So you want to go ahead and describe the picture exactly the way you imagined it in your head, the kind of environment you want, the kind of skin color you want, the kind of dress you want the image to be wearing, whether it's a male or whether it's a female, and just like that. Just make sure you describe properly. Another reason why I love Bing is the fact that it doesn't really take time to generate these images, and it can generate multiple images for you, right? You don't have to also pay. That is the third reason I love it. You don't have to also pay. The free version is very good. It helps you to get by in whatever task that you want, unlike the second app I'm going to be telling you, where the free version is not so free and it's not something that may give you options to actually get by. So here I'm just putting in my prompt of what the kind of image that I want the Bing AI to give to me, and this is the app generating the image for me. It's going to take some time, you guys, for it to fully load, and this is it while it has load. I'm going to open it so that you guys can see, so that you know the difference between this particular image generator and the next one I'm going to be sharing with you, so that you can also go ahead and pick the one that you really love. Now, don't forget, like I said, you need to be very specific with your description so that you'll be able to get the kind of image that you want or that you desire, right? So this is what the image looks like. I'm going to click on it right now and then click on the arrow that is pointing downwards, which is save, so that it's going to save in my device. Once that is done, we'll go over to the next one, okay, which is the next image generator I'm going to show you, which is very popular and it's called ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you want to upgrade to, you know, the latest version, and if you are not using the latest version, of course it may not really give you the image that you want, or it wouldn't even generate the image at all, right? And this is the free version that I am using, so I'm just going to quickly put in my prompt and then click on the arrow facing up, which is send. With ChatGPT, you can also send them an image, or send the app an image that you would love it to generate for you, and it's going to generate a replica of that image for you, right? Now, it is going to take a long time. That is one thing I don't like about ChatGPT. Like, it will take a long time. I waited for this particular image to generate for me, and it really took a long time. Though the image, the graphics and everything is really stunning, but then it took a while, so you have to wait. So this is what the image looked like. I'm going to just click it so I can save it, so that it will open up for me to be able to save, and it's going to go straight into my gallery, right? And I'm going to show you how to make these images talk, right? Yes, how you can actually make them talk, how to make them move, you know, and how to use them to generate faceless content, just like the video that you saw, or the clip of video that you saw in the beginning of this video, right? I'm going to show you that in another video. In my next video, I'm going to show you because I don't want this video to be too long. So this is what I generated. This is the image I generated from ChatGPT, and this is the one I got from Bing AI. Let me know in the comment section which one you prefer and which one you'll be trying out. If you like content about growing your own YouTube and how to create your channel and monetize it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this one. I have beautiful content that is going to help you grow your own YouTube. Don't forget to check it out in the link in the description.